Hello and welcome to the lesson where we'll be discussing how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA, a popular IDE for Java development. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space on your computer. First, let's open our web browser and go to the JetBrains website, the company behind IntelliJ IDEA. So let's type IntelliJ IDEA, hit enter, and let's go to the JetBrains website. Here, let's click download. And here, please select your operating system and select an appropriate file for download and click download. Let's download the file. And once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to install the software. Next, we'll launch IntelliJ IDEA for the first time. So let's click IntelliJ IDEA. And here, you may be prompted to import settings from a previous installation or to customize your settings. Once you have completed these initial steps, you should be taken to the welcome screen. Now that IntelliJ IDEA is installed, we can move on to creating a new project in the next part of this lesson. If you encounter any issues during the installation process, consult the IntelliJ IDEA documentation for further assistance. Once you have IntelliJ IDEA open, you should be presented the welcome screen. From here, you can select Create a new project to begin setting up your new project. So let's click New Project. And here you will be prompted to select the type of project you want to create. For this lesson, we will be creating a Java project. So select Java, and here you'll also be prompted to select the JDK or Java Development Kit for your project. If you don't have a JDK installed, you can click the Download JDK. And if you already have a JDK installed, you can select it from the drop-down menu. And once you have selected your JDK, click Next. Here we can select Create Project from Template. Let's select Command Line App, and let's click Next. Now you will be prompted to set the project name and location. So give your project a name and select a location on your computer where you would like to save your project files. So in our case, let's use ITER. And let's click Finish. So our new project has now been created, and you should see the project structure in the project pane, here on the left side of the screen. You can now start adding packages, classes, and other files to the project. So let's check our project structure. We have IDEA folder, which contains only IDE-specific files. We don't need to manage, we don't need to update or delete this directory. And everything we need to update now is located under the SRC folder. Here, we already have a generated package called com.iter with class called main. Let's delete this class for the time being because we want to create our own file. To create our own Java class, we need to right-click on the package and select New Java Class. And here we need to select Class and write the name for our future class. Let's call it My First Java Program. My First Java Program, and hit enter. As you can see, IDE has automatically generated a class structure for our future implementation. The package is where our class is located. Our class is located in com directory, and under the com directory, we have ITER directory, where our class or our My First Java Program.java file is located. Now that we have a new class, we can add the main method to it. The main method is the entry point of any Java program and is required for it to run. So in the class, let's add the following code: public static void main. In parentheses, let's write string brackets args, and let's use brackets, and our code will be here. Please note that there is also a quick way to write the following code. In IntelliJ IDEA, you can simply write PSVM and hit tab, and the main method will be automatically generated. It can save your time in future. Next, let's add a simple print statement to the main method. So inside the curly braces of the main method, add the following line of code: system.out.println. And here, in double quotes, let's write hello world. So your class should look like this. This program will simply print hello world to the console. Also, please note that there is a quick way to write system.out.println, and it also can save your time in future. So let's write SOUT and let's hit tab. As you can see, system.out.println has been automatically used in our method. And here let's write again hello world. This is what we want to print to the console. To run the program, simply click on the class and select Run My First Java Program. Also, you can click on the arrow here or on the arrow here and select Run My First Java Program main. Okay, that's it. So you've successfully written and executed your first Java program using IntelliJ IDEA. So in this lesson, we've covered how to write and execute a simple Java program in IntelliJ IDEA. And that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching and happy coding. Bye.